Welcome to our in-depth technical analysis of DVLT stock as of November 22, 2025. In this video, we'll break down the key drivers behind DVLT's strong bullish trend, examine the momentum fueling its recent surge, and discuss important cautionary signals for short-term traders. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding these technical factors can help you make more informed decisions. Let's begin by exploring the overall technical profile and what makes DVLT stand out in the current market landscape. DVLT currently boasts an impressive overall technical score of 68.3, signaling a robust bullish outlook. This score is not arbitrary, it's the result of a combination of powerful trend indicators and explosive momentum. By dissecting the components of this score, we can better understand the underlying forces at play. Next, we'll look at the trend-following indicators that provide the foundation for DVLT's technical strength. One of the most compelling aspects of DVLT's technical profile is its alignment with key moving averages. The current price of $2.55 is trading decisively above all significant short, medium, and long-term moving averages. This alignment is a classic sign of a strong, sustainable uptrend, and it's a foundational element in technical analysis. Let's break down how each moving average contributes to this bullish picture. Starting with the short term, DVLT's price is well above the 20-day simple moving average SMA20, which currently sits at $1.98. This signals that short-term traders are firmly in control, and the recent price action is being supported by strong buying interest. When a stock trades above its short-term average, it often attracts momentum traders looking to capitalize on the trend. Looking further out, DVLT's price is also significantly above the 50-day simple moving average, SMA50, at $1.71. Even more impressively, it's trading at more than double the 200-day simple moving average, SMA200, which stands at 0.978. This powerful alignment across timeframes confirms the presence of a durable, long-term bullish trend. The 20-day exponential moving average EMA20 at $1.89 further reinforces this bullish impulse. Beyond moving averages, it's important to measure the conviction behind the trend. The average directional index, ADX, and directional index, DI, are two key indicators that help us gauge the strength and sustainability of DVLT's uptrend. Let's take a closer look at what these indicators reveal about the current market dynamics. The ADX 14 value for DVLT is 23.76. In technical analysis, an ADX reading above 2025 is considered a sign that a trend is gaining strength and has the conviction to continue. This reading suggests that DVLT's current uptrend is not only established but also has the momentum to persist, making it an attractive option for trend-following investors. The directional index readings further confirm the bullish narrative. The plus DI14 is at 37.88, which is much higher than the minus DI14 at 18.7. This wide gap indicates that bullish buying pressure is dominating the market, reinforcing the idea that DVLT is in a strong uptrend with little immediate resistance from sellers. Momentum is another critical aspect of DVLT's technical profile. The stock's overall momentum score stands at 20.67, reflecting the speed and force of its recent price movement. This score is heavily influenced by a dramatic single-day price surge, which we'll explore in the next scene. The primary driver of DVLT's current momentum is a staggering single-day gain of 46.55%. Such explosive moves are rare and often signal a significant shift in market sentiment. This surge has injected a burst of upward velocity into the stock, attracting both short-term traders and long-term investors seeking to ride the wave. Momentum oscillators provide additional confirmation of DVLT's upward trajectory. By examining indicators like the MACD and RSI, we can gain a more nuanced understanding of the stock's current momentum and whether it's likely to continue in the near term. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) indicator is showing classic bullish signals for DVLT. The MACD line 12 is trading well above its signal line, and the histogram is strongly positive. This combination points to accelerating upward momentum, suggesting that the recent surge is supported by strong underlying buying interest. The Relative Strength Index (RSI14) for DVLT is currently at 60.72. This value indicates strong buying momentum, but it's still below the traditional overbought threshold of 70. This suggests there may still be room for further price appreciation before a sharp correction becomes likely, offering a potential window for continued gains. Despite the strong trend and momentum, some short-term oscillators are flashing caution signals. The stock RSIK is at its maximum reading of 100, and the Williams %R is at an extremely high level of -2.94. These readings indicate that DVLT is in a deeply overbought condition in the short term, which often precedes a pause or consolidation phase. When short-term oscillators reach extreme levels, it's a signal that the recent price surge may not be sustainable without a period of consolidation. Traders should be aware that such conditions often lead to a temporary pause or even a minor pullback before the primary trend resumes. This is a normal part of healthy market cycles. Unique cautionary signal comes from the Arun oscillator. While the reported value is a bullish 71.43, the underlying components tell a different story. Arun down 60 is higher than Arun up 24, which should actually result in a bearish oscillator value of -36. This discrepancy suggests that selling activity has been more recent than buying, raising questions about the immediate sustainability of the rally. To summarize, DVLT's technical strength is primarily driven by the alignment of long-term moving averages and strong directional index readings. These factors confirm a robust, sustainable bullish trend that has attracted significant market attention. However, it's important to balance this optimism with an awareness of short-term risks. The explosive momentum, as evidenced by the single-day gain and confirmed by MACD and RSI, is a major positive for DVLT. However, the simultaneous extreme readings in stock RSI and Williams %R suggest that the current velocity may be unsustainable in the very short term. This technical conflict is something all traders should keep in mind. Going forward, investors should monitor whether DVLT can consolidate its recent gains without a major pullback. Key levels to watch include the short-term moving averages and any changes in oscillator readings. If the stock can hold above these averages while overbought conditions ease, the bullish trend is likely to continue. In recap, DVLT's technical profile is defined by a strong, established uptrend, explosive recent momentum, and some short-term caution signals. By understanding the interplay between these factors, traders and investors can better navigate the opportunities and risks presented by this dynamic stock. Thank you for joining us for this technical analysis of DVLT stock. The current outlook remains bullish, but with important short-term risks to consider. As always, stay informed, keep an eye on key indicators, and approach the market with a balanced perspective. We hope this breakdown has provided valuable insights for your investment strategy.